Hello, my name is Ritesh Parthasarathy. I live and reside in Bangalore, and with PlanEdu's help, I got into MS Ramaiah with in the course of CS with AIML. I got it in CET round 2. About my parents, my dad is a software manager, and my mom is a housewife.
Hi everybody, I'm Rajeshwari here, Ritesh mother. Ritesh is my only son, and we had a situation where I had to obtain admission for him for BTech degree, right? So there were several colleges and a lot of informations around me. So I was really in a lot of ambiguity to select or know what am I going to go about with this. So and that's when I had spotted PlanEdu through I think it came out from some newspaper, I guess probably Deccan Herald or something. So I just got information about PlanEdu and I stepped into this organization. And my experience was outstanding. It was wow because I was literally on the zero dot. And from there till at this moment where we have obtained the admission for my son from MS Ramaiah is really spectacular. And I'm pretty happy about this fantastic college. And I think the journey was awesome. Like how we rawly started with those datas, like the toughest point was to access the websites and get in the information quickly. And there will, I think, there's a 1 year of journey. So there's a number of data, a number of informations pouring in every time, and so a lot of confusions was happening. So I think PlanEdu, every time when we were in a confusion mode, we would immediately press the button of PlanEdu, and there this step in, and then from confusion it moves to clarity. So that's what I could feel well, because that contribution was very important, and this institution did that, and very helpful for us as well. So each time it's a 1 year experience, right? So every month we crossed with one other thing, and I think a lot of colleges we had because sir helped us to plan a strategy where we move in from say around from really crossing 10 colleges or approaching them. So how we are going to go about with that. So he sat with us and we had a lot of discussion on the strategy and everything. I think a lot of guidance given by Vikas sir, when to move at what point, and certain things he said you can let go of this. Still his predictions was very true from the beginning, and I think that is where his experience was coming in place. So we're very happy about that. So wonderful experience from the dot till today, where we are right now in MS Ramaiah Institution. That's a wonderful feel, and thank you so much PlanEdu for helping us and giving us clarity. And I would definitely recommend for all the parents out there to take such help, because it's today's society is really confusing, because there's a million amount of data happening, and it keeps changing as well. So I think it's really helpful to have an agency like this on the other side, and then plan for your son or daughter to get the right college. So thank you so much. Thank you Vikas sir and team, and also thank the Almighty to give us MS Ramaiah for my dearest son Ritesh. Thank you so much. God bless.